Welcome back to Story Time, everybody. Today we're going to read about a couple of different animals, and the first one is called Little Bird, and it's written by Saviour Pirotta and illustrated by Butler, and it's kind of an old book, but I really like it. Here's the little bird. "What can I do today?" asked the little bluebird. "Hop," said the bug. Can you see the bug hopping right off the plant? Yeah. There he is. And "Wiggle," said the worm. And there he is, wiggling his legs all that he can. And the worm is wiggling too. "Jump," said the frog. Whoop. Yeah. The frog is good at jumping, isn't he? "Bristle," said the hedgehog. Oh, he's trying to bristle. He's sticking his wings out, putting his tail feathers up. But the hedgehog's very bristly. He puffs himself all out. Yeah. "Paddle," said the duck. Oh, he's going to try paddling in the water a little. And the duck is very good at that. "Skip," said the lamb. The lamb is good at skipping. Look how he kicks up his back legs. And the bird's trying. He's got one leg up and one leg down like you do when you skip. That's pretty good. "Oh, roll," said the pig. Oh, pigs love to roll in that cool mud. It cools them down. And the bird's rolling in a little patch of mud. Yeah. Huh? "Gallop," said the horse. And he's galloping too. Look how fast he's going. "Munch," said the cow. Do you know what munch is? Munch is when you eat something. Chomp, 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 chomp. And he's eating, looks like grass or leaves. And so's our little bird friend. Yeah. Oh, but "Fly," said the little bird's mother. Because that's what birds do best. Fly. And did he fly? He sure did, didn't he? So the little bird flew around the farm and across the fields where he sees all his friends that have helped him. Look at them all. The cow and the hedgehog and the pony and the pig, the goat, and the duck. And back home, just in time for bed. Look, he's tucked right in under his mama. Good listening, everybody. That was a good one, I think. I like that one. Let's see. Do you remember "Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star"? Let's do that, okay? Got your twinkling stars ready? Okay, here we go. "Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are." Take 'em up. "Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are." Good job. Good work. My next book is about a city dog and a country frog. Can you see that frog sitting right on top of his head? I wonder how he'd like that. And this has 4 seasons in their year. This first one is spring. And we see the dog, don't we? City dog didn't stop on the first day in the country. He ran as far and as fast as he could. Look at him running. And all without a leash. No leash. He's out in the country and he can run all he wants. City Dog spotted something he had never seen sitting on a rock. It was Country Frog. "What are you doing?" asked City Dog. "Waiting for a friend," replied Country Frog with a smile. "But you'll do." Oh, are they going to be friends? A dog and a frog? I think so. City Dog and Country Frog played together. City Dog was new to the country, so Country Frog taught him Country Frog games. I bet they had a lot of hopping. We know about frogs, don't we? Yeah. Country Frog's games involved jumping and splashing and croaking. Do you know what croaking is? It's that sound they make. Sort of like that. Yeah. That's a frog sound. And that was spring. Now, what comes next? Next, after spring, comes summer. City Dog didn't stop to admire the green, green grass. He ran straight for Country Frog's rock. Here he is, running right across that long bit of grass. And what does he find? Yeah. "I am going to do you a favor," said City Dog when he found Country Frog. "I am going to teach you City Dog games." Oh, that sounds like fun. City Dog's games involved sniffing and fetching and barking. I'm not sure the frog could do too much of that. But the frog's watching while he does it. And that's a good friend thing to do. City Dog and Country Frog played until Country Frog was too tired to sniff and fetch and bark anymore. I wonder what a frog's bark sounds like. Probably sounds like a croak, don't you think? Yeah. And that was summer. They did that a lot, I think. And look, it's raining that day. And the frog doesn't mind the rain, but the dog kind of does, so he's holding a leaf over him like an umbrella. Yeah. Fall. And we can tell it's fall because the leaves are turning orange and red. That's what they do in the fall. Oh, this picture is so pretty. City Dog didn't stop to sniff the falling leaves. He ran straight for Country Frog's rock. He did. And he found it. "What shall we play today?" asked City Dog. "Dog or frog games?" Country Frog took a deep breath. "I am a tired frog," replied Country Frog. "Maybe we can play remembering games." So they probably just sat and kind of remembered other things that they had done together. City Dog and Country Frog sat together on the rock. They remembered their spring, jumping and splashing and croaking. They remembered their summer, sniffing and fetching and barking. Yeah. And that was fall. Oh. Next comes winter. And we can tell it's winter, right? Because it's all snowy. Like it's going to be for us very soon. City Dog didn't stop to eat the snow. He ran straight for Country Frog's rock. He's running right through the snow. City Dog looked for Country Frog. Country Frog was not there. Here's a picture of what it looks like. And City Dog is looking and waiting. Yeah. And that was winter. And then it was spring again. Oh, look at those pretty flowers. They're so pretty in the spring after the snow is gone. Country Chipmunk spotted something she had never seen sitting on a rock. It was City Dog. Yeah. Country Chipmunk. "What are you doing?" asked Country Chipmunk. "Waiting for a friend," replied City Dog. Yeah, he's waiting. And then he smiled, a froggy smile, and said, there he is smiling his sort of froggy smile, "But you'll do." And that was spring again. And he got to do things with the chipmunk instead. Yeah. That's kind of a hard story because animals don't live forever, do they? And maybe the frog died, or maybe he went someplace else. But the city dog found some other friends, and that was a good thing. Yeah. Thank you for listening so well to that. That was fun. Let's see. Do you remember Hickory Dickory Dock? That's a funny old-fashioned kind of one, but let's try it. Hickory Dickory Dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory Dickory Dock. Yeah. That's funny, isn't it? Now let's sing it, okay? Hickory Dickory Dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory Dickory Dock. Isn't that a funny one? Hickory and dickory are rhyming words, aren't they? They have the same ox sound on the end. Yeah, that's what a rhyme is. I have had so much fun reading with you today. I hope you've had fun too. And I'll see you next time, okay? Bye.